Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is deviation. It is pronounced D-V-A-Tion and is spelt D-E-V-I-A-T-I-O-N. Think dev, ia, and then shun. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Deviation is a noun that means the action of departing from an established course or accepted standard. It is often used to describe a change or difference from what is expected or normal. For example, you could say, the aeroplane's deviation from its flight path caused a delay, or the teacher noticed a deviation from the usual good behaviour of the students. In the story Alice in Wonderland, Alice's journey down the rabbit hole leads to a series of strange and unexpected deviations from her ordinary life. She encounters talking animals, nonsensical riddles, and a world where the rules of logic just don't seem to apply. Synonyms for deviation include departure, divergence, digression, or aberration. Antonyms for deviation include conformity and adherence. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, deviation. Have a top day ahead and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.